Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. We are starting with question number 6 now of exercise 13a. There is a figure like this which has been made for you all, and here you need to find the area as well as the perimeter for it. So this entire side was 36 centimeter and this entire was 21 of yours, okay, which means if I talk about the radius, this entire 21 is your diameter, right? So your radius is going to be 21 divided by 2, that is radius 10.5. Now considering this side as well as this side, they both have the diameter 21, agreed? So can I consider this semicircle and this semicircle as one circle? I can, okay, because the diameter is same. So now for the area of it, I will be using the formula pi r square, that means pi multiplied it by 10.5 square, which means 346.36. Now over here in the question, let me rub this out. I am drawing the figure once again for your understanding. Look, this side was 21 and even this entire side was 21. Now considering this side, you all have this knowledge that your radius is 10.5. so if I talk about a circle, the radius, if this part is your radius, so obviously even this part is going to be your radius, right, of a circle, agreed? So what I am trying to say is, if this entire is 21 and this is 10.5, so this side is also going to be your 10.5 because that is also the radius of your semicircle, and even this side is going to be your 10.5. Now when I add this 10.5 and 10.5, I get a 21, agreed? And in the question it has been told that 36 is for this entire side, including your radiuses as well of the semicircle. So what I will do is 36 minus 21. What do I get? 15 as my answer. So this 15, it is going to be my breadth of this rectangle, okay? So now once I have got my breadth, so the formula will be applied as length multiplied by breadth, and now please note that I am just doing this side which I have shaded. So 15, which is this one, and your breadth, that is going to be 21 multiplied by 15, and 21 multiplied by 15, it makes a 315, okay? So now as I need to find out the area of it, so 315 plus 346.36, I will be adding this as well as this, area of a rectangle and area of a circle. So what do I get as my answer? 661.36, okay? Let's find out the perimeter of it now. Drawing the figure once again for the clarity. This side of your rectangle, which is your breadth, it was 15. This side was 21, okay? Now what we need to do in this question is we need to find out the perimeter. In case of your perimeter, all the outer boundaries are added, which means I'll take a different colored pen now for your understanding, which means this outer boundary, this outer boundary, this outer boundary, and this outer boundary. No inside areas, okay? So what will I do now is, let's find out first over here, as there are two semicircles, which means that the formula that is going to be used is 2 pi r, because two semicircle makes one circle and one circle perimeter or the area of circumference formula is 2 pi r. Okay, now 2 pi r plus, which side was there? 15. And if this is 15, what is going to be the other side? 15 plus 15 plus 15. Okay, now 2 pi is your 3.14. you can take 22 upon 7 as well, no issues. Radius was your 10.5 plus 15 plus 15, or if you want to write 30, go ahead. Now 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 10.5, it makes your answer 65.94. okay, plus 30. Now 65.94 plus 30 makes a 95.94 as your final answer. I hope it's clear to you all.